Welcome to Bosch Home Appliances. In this video, we are going to talk about the Bosch Series 6 built-in microwave. Bosch microwaves help you cook your meals to perfection. Introducing the Series 6 built-in microwave. This built-in microwave not only saves you valuable counter space, it also offers a fast and easy solution for quick meal preparation. With 8 automatic programs, this microwave makes cooking easier. Simply add the weight of the dish and press Start. Autopilot will then determine the cooking mode, temperature, and duration, automatically switching off towards the end of the cooking time. Create more dishes with this microwave. With a powerful grill, in addition to cooking, you can also achieve perfect grill results with this microwave. Is your microwave lightly soiled? Simply place a small spoon in a cup of water. Add a drop of washing up liquid and place it in the microwave. Set the microwave to 600 watts and let it rest for 3 minutes. This softens food residues so you can easily wipe it down. With smooth surfaces and zero sharp edges, cleaning the microwave is quick and effortless. Control your microwave easily with the pop-up knobs. Adjust the heating mode and temperature easily with just a twist of the knob. The sleek finish also makes cleaning easier, eliminating any extra effort. Open your microwave door with just a simple tap on the sensor button. The smooth glide of the oven door provides a user-friendly and safe experience while operating the microwave. This Series 6 built-in microwave is user-friendly and easy to clean. Make cooking easier with this microwave.